How to make a payment for EndoTech license fees on Binance. First, click on the Withdraw button and choose the currency you're going to pay with. Once you're on the Withdraw screen, paste the correct EndoTech wallet address that you copied on our website. Then, choose the corresponding network. For USDT Tether payments, you can use the TRC20 or the ERC20. Then, enter the amount to send. Click on the Withdraw button and then hit Continue. Once the payment is sent, Binance will provide you with an internal transfer ID, otherwise known as a TX ID. It's the proof of transfer. This is your confirmation number for the payment. Copy the TX ID in order to complete connecting your strategy and paste it into the corresponding field on our website, or send it to our support team. For more information regarding withdrawals, payments, please check the FAQ on our website or feel free to get in touch with our support team.